What happens when entrepreneurship meets resources? What happens when excellence meets technology? What happens when reliability meets trust? Trustrol Lubricants is the flagship brand of NMM Automotives Private Limited, the brainchild of founder-chairman Mr. Amit A. Khatri, who established operations in the year 2001. Today, the company has a state-of-the-art blending process and filling facilities where only the highest quality of raw material and top-class additives are used. This helps Trustrol in giving a wide range of engine oils and synthetic oils to all its valuable customers. Monograde as well as multi-grade gear oils cover the entire spectrum of oils and lubricants. Our special coolant category consists of green, red, as well as blue concentrated coolants. Additionally, Trustrol also makes red gel long life grease and calcium as well as lithium grease. Trustrol's tamper-proof packaging is the best in class and ensures 100% purity guaranteed for all our products. Our world-class warehouse and dispatch center, latest testing labs, and stringent quality control ensures that only the best quality engine oils, lubricants, grease and coolants are delivered. We have an extensive network of franchisees, dealers, distributors and channel partners across India. Our franchisee network ensures that we have a wide reach to the remotest Indian villages. Team Trustrol pioneered this new franchise form to cover all small towns, small cities and villages across our country. Our robust sales and marketing operations, coupled with a very competent professional team, works meticulously to ensure 100% customer satisfaction. Our lubricants and engine oils are not only best value for money, but affordable for all our esteemed customers and end users. Our integrity, values, teamwork and ethics coupled with a commendable CSR have given us a very solid foundation for creating value for all our franchisees, business associates, partners, distributors, stakeholders and esteemed customers. Trustrol has won strong credentials, testimonials and quality certifications. Our Make in India policy for all our products is an endeavor to further strengthen the trust and reliability factors which are an integral core of Trustrol lubricants. Come, be a part of this movement. Rely on us with trust. Move on with Trustrol. To know more about Trustrol's awesome products, call on 93265 71111 or log on to www.trustrol.in.